Hey guys, I want to give you a quick tour of our Airbnb that we have in Buenos Aires. We just made it. We're here for 90 days and we're staying in Palermo Chico. And we have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, 8th floor, which is the top level. So as soon as you walk in the door, we have a fully equipped kitchen with an oven, microwave, toaster, pretty much everything you need, a coffee maker, tea machine, and a refrigerator, freezer, and also a washer. It's a pretty old washer, but it'll get the job done. And we head straight out. We have a dining area right here, 3 chairs. And the living room is a pretty spacious size, considering we're in the heart of the city. About a 45-inch television, LG. And this is cool, we have a pretty big terrace out here that wraps around also to the master bedroom. Only downside is there's no barbecue area, but she said we can purchase whenever we want to and barbecue. It shouldn't be an issue. So we may do that if we can find something for a good price. But we have a table and some chairs that we can sit and have lunch or have dinner when it's not so hot out. And it's been really hot lately, like in the high 90s every single day over the last couple of weeks. A couple chairs here, plants, and you can see like pretty good view of the city here. A lot of tall buildings, greenery. We have a building across from us that has a pool and a jacuzzi, it looks like, and a tennis court just straight over there. And if I walk in through this way, this is the master bedroom. Looks like probably a full-size bed, a couple lamps, tons of closet space here and also over here. And then we get to the bathroom. Bathroom's a little small, but it's fine. And we have the toilet and the bidet. It's pretty common here. And finally we have the 2nd bedroom, which is for Jen. Have some shelving with some books right here. I'm pretty sure he's gonna take all these down. Anything he can reach, he can touch, he's gonna take it. And a very small bed. It's like the smallest twin bed I've probably ever seen. So since it's so little, we'll probably just put it on the floor. That way he doesn't roll off the bed or anything. This bedroom does not have an air conditioner. You can open the windows at night, but depending on how it is at night, then we may just have him come sleep with us. Yep, and that's pretty much it for the tour. So we're excited to finally be in BA after a month in Mendoza. We loved it. I really didn't want to leave. The people there are super nice. And the food was great. It was very quiet and relaxed. I was able to get some work done. But I'm definitely happy to explore Buenos Aires finally as well and check out the different neighborhoods. Check out a football match, which we plan to go on this Sunday to see River Plate versus Blasian a couple days from now. So definitely happy about that. And yeah, just stay tuned for some videos. Plan to be posting at least 1 or 2 weekly. Yeah, so just follow us over the next 3 months as we travel through Buenos Aires and Mar del Plata. And at the very end of the 3 months, we're gonna head down to Puerto Iguazu Falls and see that for a few days and then make our way to Rio de Janeiro. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll leave the link to the description of the Airbnb. And one thing to note too, I paid about, I think the average price per month was about $1,400. With the Airbnb fees and everything like that, and I did talk them down. It would have been like an extra like $250 more, but I did contact the host directly to see if, since I'm staying for 3 months, can I get some sort of extra discount, and she did work with me. So one thing to note as well. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description, and thanks for watching.